My name is Jonathan Hargreaves. For this TRN Taster, we're going to take a further look at using statistical methods to investigate situations. We've looked at mean, we've looked at median, and now it's time to look at mode. What is mode? The mode of a set of values is the most frequently occurring value, i.e., it's one that happens more times than any other value in the set. Let's write our example down. Let's write the numbers 47, 64, 51, 75, 49, 75, 32, and 75. We can see that the number 75 occurs 3 times. Therefore, your mode would be 75. If you have a data where some values occur the same number of times, then you would say that your data set does not have a mode. So let's have a look at that example. Let's write down the numbers 31, 42, 48, 48, 61, 32, 47, and 31. So we can see from this set of data that the values 31 and 48 both occur twice. So here there is no mode for this data set. Quite a simple look at using mode. Thank you for listening to this TRN Taster, and I hope to see you soon.